Greetings to our respected external examiners, the lecturers, and the students. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you just for staying for our presentation. I hope the temperature is right and the seat is comfortable, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy our presentation. Like everyone else here, our assignment requires us to take on a hypothetical project. The primary objective is this for us to learn how to summon and utilize the knowledge we've gained throughout our course. So let me start with our end product, l'avenir. It's actually French for the future. Some of you might ask, why French? Because first of all, it sounds more sophisticated and it suits more to our futuristic design, which I'll be showing later. Second of all, if we name it the future, if someone asks you, where do you live or where do you stay? And you answer, I stay in the future. You'll be like, what? Yeah, so to avoid this kind of complication, we decided to name it l'avenir. So let's embark on our adventure into the future. Once upon a time, there was a land which was approximately 5.19 acres. The land we use is actually the same as everyone else. Before we can build hypothetically, we own the land. So before we can build anything on the land, we have constraints too. This table shows the constraints, the given constraints by the lecturer, and these are our actual value that is within the boundaries. So maybe some of you will be wondering, because mentioned by Dr. Cha, our land is for residential use. Instead of mentioning for residential use, I mentioned allowance for commercial. This is because our project, l'avenir, is actually a mixed-use development. We have 2 stories of commercial department as the base, with 18 stories of residential use and facilities resting on top of the base, which I'll be showing later. Our design is actually inspired by this, a famous project in Singapore, the interlace. The idea behind the design is to stack identical blocks in a very specific arrangement that looks something like this. So, after considering all the constraints, we designed our building looking like this. I hope you guys like what you're seeing here. Yes. Instead of it's not as big as the project I showed just now, but we use 9 blocks stacking on top of each other in a triangular coordination like this. There's one benefit that's worth mentioning about this design method. Okay, is the open area between the stacked blocks. So in our project, we use the open area as sky gardens. So eventually, in the future, the green area of the whole building will be greater than it was when the land was undeveloped. Okay, next one. Okay, unlike the typical settings, we set our amenities at the top of our structure. As you can see, we have facilities such as Sky Gym, Sky Jogging Track, Sky Park, and Sky Infinity Pool. As I was mentioning all the facilities, I bet all of you have noticed there's one thing in common, which is the sky. Yes. Unlike typical settings, we would like our occupants to enjoy the leisure time in our facilities. Before that, I'd like to ask, as you give my personal opinion, besides, when you're trying to relax, besides music, what is a better companion than the natural scenery itself? So, we, the future occupants who stay in l'avenir, can actually enjoy the leisure time with the companion of sunset or sunrise. So, with the combination of these facilities and amenities, we actually aim to promote this sense of community among the residents in l'avenir. That will be my introduction.